things when you never get before. Like the happy leaf and medicine upon there. They don't need to time either. They're happy. Look, everybody happy and good.
The goat them happy say the storm come.
Yeah. And get food.
No fighting.
Quiet. Be still, mister.
So Esha Primary is a shelter.
Yeah.
Up here, so
This is one of the shelter.
feel look nice too. No
represent-
garbage on them some there. No
represent
tree, no
Hanover.
scatter. Just some
One of the
bananas.
shelter represent Esha.
Bananas get mashed up.
Yeah.
And some of the trees.
You'll find fruits off the trees like ackee and mangoes and breadfruit and coconut. They all came off the trees, you know. Great ones. We have two breadfruit that will come off the trees.
Show it them.
We have two breadfruit that came off the trees. Great for me today. Cooking. Nice.
What do I say again?
Yeah.
Chicken what?
Chicken sauce with breadfruit today.
So what kind of damage you say you got at your house?
Yeah.
Right?
It was the most damage today, you know. It was like the windows didn't button up properly, so I was to come out in the rain and Dart and I get sorted out. It was great. But there was one thing I have to draw seawater all day and night. I'm tired. I say water come in and so I dry out.
But you get breadfruit, so you get back your energy.
Yeah, right now, hear me daughter. Daddy, water come in. So I thought, you didn't have no old pants. So me went start and they look say, where the pants them there? So me go in the washing machine, me find 5 pants, old pants. So me throw them on the ground and start sap out the water. It wasn't good enough. So I have to start again. Squeeze out the bucket.
Two new ones. Them survive though.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, I thought it would have been worse.
Yeah, we have to give thanks, man.
Yeah.
Many thanks we give, you know. And right now the sun is out, so we could see it's great for today
Yeah.
and tomorrow also.
Yes. Down here in Hanover.
We
Yeah.
are at Esha. We are at the school.
So, school, alright. The school was built well good, you know. No damage to the school.
Yeah. And the shelter. You hear them?
Yeah, it's
Them,
a
man.
shelter.
You hear them?
Yeah.
It's school well built still, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are come. For real. Yeah, man, it's great, man.
Mm-hmm.
It's a great look.